Hello there, kitty friends. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna teach you how to send money to PAYMAYA account. So the first one is we need to go to your PAYMAYA account, this one. Then open it, type your password, and then go to send money, and then type the account number or yung cellphone number ng PayMaya na papadalahan mo, tapos i-click mo yung PayMaya, and then dito sa baba ilagay mo kung magkanong amount ang babayaran mo. Pwede mo lagyan ng note kung gusto mo, payment for maximum. Ayan. And then click continue, then confirm, and that's it. Already done. And then click back, and then pwede mo screenshot kung magkano total balance para alam mo lang siya or na-monitor mo. And that's it, guys. Ayan, that's it for today's vlog. Hope na may natutunan na naman kayo sa vlog na to. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye. God bless.